My name is Johan Jonsson and I'm from Sweden. Now I'm in the Italian Dolomites for the first time actually on the Blizzard Technica Athlete Summit. Super stoked to be here, conditions are great, and this is also my new best friend, Blizzard Spur. Became my kind of everyday ski this winter. It's a wide ski, so it's really good in powder, but it works pretty much all conditions. Got a little tip and tail taper, so it's not like catching on to the POW, which makes it easy to slide in the POW. And it's quite light ski, got some carbon fiber in it, and but still a good, solid, real Blizzard ski, which makes it burly enough to charge big lines on also. So easy to ski, but solid ski. My best friend.